Say what you want about synthetic wigs. I think this is beautiful.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad.
Hello my beautiful queens, welcome to my channel. If wigs got you in a headlock and won't let go, this is a channel for you, so make sure you subscribe so you can keep vibing with your girl. Ever heard of a synthetic wig that is kinky straight textured but you can get it silky straight easily? Girl, this is a first for me. This is a full lace synthetic kinky straight wig from Amazon. The link will be in the description box below. It comes with your 4 combs, adjustable strap, and full lace all the way around. You see that? All the way around, girl. 30 inches of gorgeous synthetic yaki textured wig. Full straight to the ends. Did you see that? And it's soft. And did I mention it was full? Look at that. I could barely grab it. And it comes with baby hairs in the front and in the back. And you could barely see the knots. You can see them, but you could barely see them, especially after tinting them and melting it down. The lace was so easy to melt. It was. It really was. Once I tinted, I only used my Kiss Lace Bond spray. And it laid down super easily. Here's how you pre-cut your own lace at home, girl. This little shears, I got it from Amazon. Pinking shears is what they call, but I like to call it zigzag scissors. You just cut all the way around, like about ½ an inch to an inch from where the hairline starts. The hairline does come pre-plucked. I really feel like the hairline was pre-plucked perfectly, in my opinion, for me. It comes with an adjustable strap with a grip for the back of your neck, girl, so it won't move. So you got that extra security. All you gotta do is attach it, slide it in, and then adjust it and put that wig on, and you're ready to go. This is where, this is my first time seeing a strap like this, though, where you gotta attach it together like that. That's different. That was new for me. But it wasn't hard, obviously. It's easy. You just slide it on. I mean, duh. Not rocket science. Now you pull the strap to adjust it as tight or as loose as you want it. And all you gotta do is put the wig on. I do have a video showing how I cut the ear tabs. It's on my channel. Make sure you check that out. Very simple, very easy. Check it out.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Ear tabs always gives an issue because of the fact that I have a big head and it wouldn't reach all the way above my hairline. So what I love about this Kiss Lace Bond spray, level 9 is the one I have, is that it's so strong. You can put it on your hairline. From my experience, you can put it on your hairline and it will stick to the lace even though you're sticking it on top of your hair. And I found taking it out of my hair is pretty easy. Use oil or my sticky little secret lace glue remover. You just put it on the hairline and it easily comes off. So it's very, in my experience, it's very gentle on the hairline if you take it off correctly and slowly and don't just snatch it off. So here I am just putting it, as you see, pretty much on my hair, and I'm sticking the lace to my hair, and it did stay. I won't say that it'll give you a long hold, but it'll give you a good temporary hold. So that's what I did, and I tied it down for the whole time of me straightening the hair. So, but typically about 15-20 minutes would be a good amount of time to leave that hairline tied up as tight as you can so you don't give yourself a headache, and let that hairline melt. Let it cook. Just let it cook. Now I'm gonna get a t-shirt that says use the unbrush, because the unbrush and synthetic hair are best friends. They go together like white on rice, you know. Seriously, it helps to untangle it very easily with very minimal shedding. I did experience shedding. It is synthetic hair, and it's thick synthetic hair, so it did tangle a bit, but after brushing through it with my unbrush, I found it to be very easy to style. So it didn't tangle as much after brushing it through. I felt like this one, after straightening it and putting a little bit of product into it, it stayed pretty soft and silky and very manageable for a while. Now, I should have did so many styles with this, but it was late. I was feeling it. I was really feeling this hair though. It's really nice, and I was so surprised, really. I was so surprised that it got so silky straight. I saw in the reviews that these girls got it silky straight, and I was like, okay, interesting. Getting a synthetic hair to get straight, that's a first for me, especially a kinky or yaki straight synthetic hair. I pretty much thought that was it. You get it that way and poofy, you're gonna have to rock with it like that. But once I hit it with that flat iron, which you will see, I was so surprised that it got straight. It was too much hair for me to do not one by one, but do small sections. So, and like I said, it was late for me. So look at that. You get a good amount of space to part. You could do half up, half down. You could do whatever you want with this hair, with this wig. You could do whatever hairstyle you want. You have a really good amount of space. But like I was saying, it would take a really long time, I feel, to straighten it with small sections. But had I done that, it would have been even more silkier and straighter. But I still got it to be a lot silkier and straighter than it started out. It started out very poofy. But once I hit it with that flat iron, I had it on high. I had it on the highest setting. Look at that. I was burning that hair. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm over here. I don't know. But I went ahead and I changed it. I changed the setting. Went ahead and straightened it little by little as I could. I had to wait for it to cool down. It was still hot from my crazy decision. But once I did that, look how silky it got. Look at that. Love it. Look at that. I kept showing it to you because I was shocked. Like I said, it looks so natural. Look at the difference. That side and this side. It is so pretty. I love it. One side poofy, the other side semi-poofy. In my opinion, they're similar, but you can tell the difference. You can clearly see. See? One side, the other side. Now check out the lace. Every time I take off my wig band and I get a really nice melt, it's so satisfying. Is it just me? I went in with my Sticky Little Secret melting spray to give it that final mwah. To give it that final chef's kiss, girl. Yes, every single time. It will do it every single time. Love my Sticky Little Secret products. Wonderful. I have it linked in the description box below, along with this wig and whatever else I use. Now right here, I'm taking big sections, so I'm using my unbrush. Like I said, it was late, I was tired, my arm was tired. Girl, that's a lot of hair. That's a lot of synthetic hair, but a lot of hair nonetheless. So I'm using my unbrush to brush it through and straighten it. Since I took big strands, I had to go, pass it through a couple of times to get it silky, but it was done. I did it. Now I'm straightening down the parting, making sure it's flat, and then I'm gonna give it some layers. I'm gonna they could be mad excited. I'm telling you, every single time. It's so satisfying. Look at that. Yes, love it. I went ahead and straightened out the kinks, and then I'm going to add some layers to give it a little bit more oomph, just a little bit more oomph instead of just straight down, and I'm gonna cut the ends as well, just about 1.5 inch, those squiggly ends, see that? Get rid of that. Yep, give it more of a sharp, I like a blunt end. I do. It gives it more va-va-voom.
Stroke it for me, stroke it for me.
Now right here, I was going for a little bump. I thought I could do it. No, the hair doesn't curl. I was pushing it. I was pushing the limits. I was like, could it? Nope, didn't work out. So, oh well, we're gonna straighten it back down. Now I'm trying out this dry shampoo because I figured it would help with the shine, from what a lot of people say. So it freaked me out because look at that white spot. I got freaked out. I thought I jacked it up. This is my freak out face. I'm freaking out at this very moment. But it got better. I kept rubbing it, and I did use a baby wipe to wipe some of it off. And yeah, don't spray it directly on it like I just did. Like, do it like about 1 inch or 2 away from the hair. But here I am, I wiped it off, and we're good. Can you tell the difference? I mean, can you tell the difference? I really can't. Not really. I feel like it looks about the same or similar. About the same. But it still looks good.
See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on going back to you. See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on going back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna bump me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay.
Say what you want about synthetic hair, but girl, do you see what I see? Do you see what I see? Synthetic wear. Yes, there's a little shine, and the dry shampoo, you tell me if it worked. Because I feel like there's shine with human hair wigs as well, especially when using this. But to me, it feels so natural. It looks so natural. A little bit of shine, but I like a little bit of shine. Compared to how big it was, but when I took it out of the box, if I took my time pressing it little by little strands, I'd be able to get it silky, straight. Like thinner than this. But I think this is pretty good. It's compared to how poofy it was. This is pretty good. Girl, I've linked her right in the description box below. You're welcome.
If you enjoyed vibing with me, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think. And if you have made it this far, I truly appreciate you, queen. Thank you for vibing with me. I'll see you on the next one, girl.
When I get straight to me, you always tell me that you need